Without the davis&shirtliff. When with these guys as well, they are with us. You know, when I saw boarding again, I want to direct what your opinion make I have to what I want to raise. But it's a man, so they give me up. So they die, and they're able to school. Asante sana ogotera nyasa untoli ogotera kwa ye enkabi Dorcas mama Riziki na boigo mahalima tegerete maase mokuru alichesemo chiri cha Nairobi gwetera www.radiovuna.co.ke kero ogotera kuto igida kamera ngebere na ibere mege chinse isato chia bono botukomoro belia sembeo abarai na amagendro njego kondo kanga bright gaiga studio ntolino maraja sereta lameke ogempo yoromo accountant na boigo director Kennedy Omango mo akili na boigo molimo mangani ye China boigo secretary se company ya KTDA Wilfred Nyakondi omolimi boigo bwecha board manager kurwase na boigo director se factory ya Tombe togenda tusanga chinkwana gaiga subutu kubalera somoro bali bwabarai na amagendro ekero andake konyar tutorenda somotimo kubo mangana mbiya senchire yobo ikerno na linke kobolia lameke ogepo nyo capacity bune accountant kwa koremere maseke mbegege KTDA ne company ao korigereria eliego tebakana na neligesa aba libanyorere kurwasa monchiro lya nyarako bagakoletwa na the Act 2020 ekero twalinge okwandira igoro ya mangana ya entira chaikoba auction de kunyarako bagekonigwa na generally muna balime bagenda twathe at least barorire ligasaline na compared ne ekero aba director bali bakoro bali ngabisi kero to ukorera korera nseme yutudaraska kuchese asante
Mbiyama no mura just send and after the break. And I will go on again talking now go on ya those gains what our environment the chachira. Yango tevi muralina our director our promises farmers now they work na over 50 shillings every single month. It is not happening. You want to come and promise ikia wonga ichire na ende karokuligeli chicha yabona chikwame register. You know now ego cha come back onyole na imitinye ndego chigosio maoni ta ko ro ke bamwe tonyo goko ni nga buna wona muratu ale kiombe oko ni bituma onyole ibitume mwatebire minimum price to wene ko ni market ne lakini chi market chinde chiko ni se yeyo abantu bonzi mbora bakana bakolecha ebitume bigurwa kuru ebyombe binde echa ebitume binde bitere now where is our price ya bete given na directive ya bete given by the Minister for Agriculture Olingo una is our price here was 275 per kg minimum.
Right.
Wow, chicha ya wano chake TD kwa mete na na kasomera statistics to what one the latest auction ya bete 48,380 packages. Yeah. Achia kwama chikaira na jisto na ndisiro mai the week chicha yangu anda jisto. It means na cost sibono amatumizi yabali mugije yagogendera kukina asinje cyahitone tu nande eri surprise yibono tibijiko jayinji ko ni surprise yiyo ninginyole tenga gete kana ko colleagues Mombasa asa listeners no motegerete na kole Mombasa engakinere chichae tuanyolete ekwende Mombasa ekabe congestion chanjoniwa.
Okay.
Yatuande jisto tukaenda tukage sabu tukakole ngendu yakorokuna right of yani na chai kanji konwa amagulia tukane wika tuweke ngendu yakorwe provision as accounts so that to estimate na ka chai ntoko ni ligo litwakagirete.
Okay.
Asengenjo wono koneka gutaiyo. So impact yo ya minister whatever na surprise so much ya create the congestion in the warehouses in Mombasa. And it's going like this, it will be serious because she can't reach in the like Uganda, Tanzania and the rest of the other countries you will participate in the auction in Mombasa. Chirojinji wa there surprise. So all buyers are going there. So chicha jeto moja wejira jire. Igo not for yani only KTD nero yoka ya etu surprise.
Right.
Why does the discrimination? Yeah, so I think it was a wrong decision made by the government and we will impact very negatively the balance sheet yabalemi. Yeah, yani wotenengu wabalemi ngo chikokea bule asingenjo icha itali koneka.
Okay.
Na mura lende short amuna chibeza chachire na ndi nagote bina ekibona asia ya wa declared meeting kuna vile taraera baka project nantu chikonia mutinyo yotigalete utaraera uyo June on that basis baka declare bonus na ndi chiweze chitale ngoro baka ende benki baka sabe loan onekera ko sabe loan wakane bonus na Brian uzonye kubate biashara wende usabe loan ujiwakana kusina na yale faida wate company yao. Igo inere beginning yo ite company yao.
Okay.
Igo right now tige serikali erwe environment yani mazingira ebiasara bikoleke buya na banyene bali bakora biasara. Kiara this KTDA is considered to be a private company. Kiara have privatized.
Okay.
In the year 2000.
All right.
Na ende serikali when to create employment an environment conducive and competitive.
Okay.
So that KTDA grabako ni cha a market cha very competitive. There was also ngwabuli question ya direct sales. Direct sales is another avenue, is a market outlet. To hosieke ma ekwende yekiara bali mimbale sawa buyers imbale na woro for example from UK, yeah, tailors Waroget balko bolecha nyingi sana from specific factories ya Kenya ya KTDA one kero bwa debeta na ba ende ushun kura already chicha kia KTDA njio negeti kia pa ya siwa wa switch to bakaenda kugura chicha kubaze chika echinse chinde
okay
uze chi factory chinde chitali KTDA igo togo ite industry ya KTDA gose ngonye ni kare jitole to create mazingira maya so that chicha ya KTDA oneke I think umuntu wa advise the ministry una take that action. It is going to go very negative and maybe a decision you want to have made in impact again for the next maybe 6 months.
Okay.
Igo chicha ka chikuja koronge ya chance ko ni kuya abalimi ko chibonsio chi factory ngo kwa chinande bone kworo kila nero the beginning of the end of chi factory ko korabuye kiaera kero kwanza kolenda majikanga bunayo uno guita industry kero onyesere yate nangolende reforms chirement go improve lives kiabalimi
okay
tali ogoita lakini ekimwaro giatangazwa those are just short term gains
okay all right tetuko cha sole Wilfred timanyitie karoko tegerera ekero gotegerera bumuna lama Kenya rekoba gakweresa concept ngonyora bune ringa yesa monchili abana bali mibara goka sekeregeke lakini in the long term emechando ne chinyaro ko bana inde kuba kegoswa uno muri mibwecha bono gutatiga ko bomurai ninga no kwanchira na manero
pia mana maralia senyo ya mangana ya buna ngokiri no murimi nkiringa ebintu mbere birango kinje no murimi yakiri bingo kya samatu kama ke ikiagara reforms kuna kwa bere ande oyo mitoro mekyachi kwa nebia reforms ekibwate 74 clauses
right
there is a perspective ya bali mebale siko paka mamu minto abatanga serikali yatete ngokorere kebya mwangire inkimo kwangera kuna barai kuna director
yes
chi close tuangete 17 out of 64 so enkwana diskanga banda mbate reforms inte tukwa kikisira abali mibaito bonsi abategererete nduntu ang reforms reforms yeto chi welcome tipya sana na mokabire ebintu tuangete mbiribire bibe kira majikono nyembona boko kali chikenere kira bara batebiri yortata ya nduetera tuetengere mubekana mubekanamo that is why ekere kinege ajete kote intwe tani doirete kinekot
all right
omondo doirete kot e minister katani chikure cheito paka bono igantu ntwa ka reforms tukianchete nanto kianchete nanto te chokolegas 17 clauses igito tagete kiba amended tali kisiriwe kichenchiwe kiba kindonge kigoswiti omolemi kigoswiti nche kigoswiti serikali in this sense what am I saying puna bono ayeno mutangasachi ototagerera tando naye ekere mwari gukwana mangana akuruki radio emwari gukwana iga abali mbachandira muno abantu aba badagira na abayibi badusumbuire ebuna toko barusia etogoja ko ba 50 shillings per kilo that's monthly payment
all right
no bolimo from there ekinki abete lakini usali ko rie kebete nkeyo kibona se bakataba into mangana kibona nduju ko ba binde bako ba tisa peanuts etoko bakora 70 ukimia per kilo of which you know this is business, this is not politics. We must differentiate between politics and business.
Okay.
Why am I saying so? Osai ko lili ki promise chose ki algo kwanwa osai ko play yebinde bi algo kwanwa ki radio kuna wa play yebinde otote binga ki abari mbale ko tebigwa kabe ko bebo to assist ki abadanga abantaba
of course bakano about 50 shillings per kilo na serikali yako tebanga it is progressive nga mnabona mwako yabali mebe expect kibese nchi kigandire gukina ko chimatwe
myself 50 injira kano
okay
kibese tu akanire kiakano as a factory kiringa ki progress free unsali gwancha asinini ko tebinga kurwa say from 2010 omutini wa kanusiri saba
okay
wocha tukamenta kikaba 1050 chikamento kikaba 14
all right
chiko 14 kikaba 17 kuru 17 we having a proposal Kenya ngibaka tukutwara ntukurukanga conference because ye competitors to wate competitors imbarabi multinational factories
okay
owned factories ekia chakure kugura chakuru store siringi 17 18 19 we had that proposal nga twari kunyara na intwe kuna KTDA tusikikibese kitu kyabaremi cyomutienyi paka 21 shillings.
All right.
Egere to kompite na babande bakurukunga multinationals na turanyore chai.
Okay.
So otebanga kwa menda to muri mikuru 17 to 20 tali bono ekenege ntono into abanyana abande kartu akinyora kya kamentu na barengo. Prior nite ko batayo no matangasachi. Egasi to ko korane yabaremi. Inje bunande yana Rusia uyorengo. Uyorengo na Rusia tionde. We are representatives ya farmers.
Okay.
Ntori yoko ba permanent.
Right.
This is not a permanent job. Ne we ntoko kora matuko make na yokole ne binto binde na bande basoe. So nona baro ntwa ndabadu redriba ambaswa. Nambe ya monte tengo tebi. Promise wa mbadi mbairi 50 shillings per month in Bajanoleti.
Okay.
70 go chigoro Bajanoleti. Like now let me talk about my factory tombe.
Yes.
From 2010 kipona astuar kanyora. Okay, 2010 tuanyora 25 shillings per kilo. Tuanyora 2011 ikiarenga 30 shillings and 50 cents. 2012 36 20. 2013 29 70. 2014 15. 2015 21 50. 2016 22 50. 2017 28. 2018 27. Tote go tapaka situache to ko da tingera jonsi kyanto at time 750. When you do calculations and this year to go to 22, does it mean that the new directors ababa so busy na ubaru pona sia nene kubua kutoteka biashara vya tombe?
Okay.
We have been paying more and more than even other times.
All right.
So toilet again because last time kia lengense no matter we had COVID to wata mangana mange to go and do that. Oh my neighboring a key cheap owners our farmers are communicating better according to sales and what we gain.
All right.
And the where as we are make a pona say go to get a to me expenses and what we have to make one yene una dividend yabo second payment.
All right. Okay. What the koirana so wakile kindara cha so wakinte the kocha sore lamek umuri mikurogosi amatuka mange mpaka bono bado no nyise moncheri ya mayako letwe nkwe ibori ya rinki ekogera chinse mochinde bakonyora bakuroganganere bonus kiagera serikali ya tebetenga of course gamiti yenye katiba kubaka na 50% yotekana baka no in lump sum muna bonus lakini oisikurigiri azajibe yenye tukobachi gwakanwa mwaka wichibe soitete ensemo ya Kericho na Bomet yere bakuruka region 5 goyanyota about 15.27 billion. Kiambu na Muranga region 1 ekanyora 13.19 billion. Region 3 yere Kirinyaga and Embu ekanyora 8.97 billion. Region 4 yere Meru na Tharaka Nithi ekanyora 8.46 billion. Region 2 yere Muranga na Nyeri bakanyora 8.3 billion. Region 6 yabwa setu bwate county chetu cha Kisii na Nyamira igobanyara ko bakonyora 6.94 billion. Nyoro ligurari igabate 15.27 billion. So Kisii na Nyamira 6.94 billion. Region 7 of course Nandi Trans Nzoia na Kakamega bakonyora about 1.76 billion. Timanyati of course ngo kwanda libagando je no kwanda gorenga nejo lakini also kurwazo manyibo mangane ichibesa. What is the explanation behind amogusi botambe kwanyora nga chibesa chiko cha sensemo yabo iko chirense kolengana kwa nichiseme chichinde
intara board member akwane umayito waka na ngoko wa uniform ngoko wa komo.
Okay.
The comment dynamics siko and as waka na bonus.
All right.
Yeah. For example, the east of the Kenya KTDA largely divided into two regions.
Okay.
East of Rift and the west of Rift. And basically the kwama east of Rift. Generally the soils east of Rift go tend to deliver better quality.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Which is known. Yani one of science we chai.
All right.
Now west of Rift area known to produce a large quantity of tea, lakini qualitative wise they are a bit low. That is na very historically.
All right.
Yeah. So in terms of competition, tote evena naki abantu wa east wa nyola jibe nyiko to bwa it will take over.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
But what we are only encouraging our farmers wakora is to ensure that imbabwate threshold bawene the quality bawene the maintain each factory we store bwate some threshold bwene twara this ko maintain that one and this ko nyora the quantities chirita keire na boto compete with the region the kiaro otro bwate ko nyora otro quantity nyingi bali isti bwate quantity ngara kini quality regoro ono baya sikara wacha kugura you know historically barekane bakugura ichai kurwali yeah asingenjo bali bakura consumers end user igakugura ichai munanye manyete atagete certain quality.
Okay,
so certain features of that quality mainly njiro doka weso na ikonyana prices chiri gurali. For example, the young one example Rwanda in the Eastern Central Africa region here in the Mombasa auction, Rwanda is a small country where they chai enge sana lakini prices chai chiri guru wako on $5 and above. Kali ndukale ko ni $2, 2.75, 250 and so on.
Okay,
so it is a kuorokina nga yecha ikwama and historically na kire. Lakini what we are trying to encourage our farmers iga for maintain the quality standards bako ba explain through their managers na ba tolecha ingia so that by asenjo what the quantity you see na boto wale cha nyinge lakini ndende kubwate cha nyinge na ndio isiko maintain that quality na way price yae okonyora kwanyore in terms of chibeza chikoba chinyinge kubwa east lakini east yarengeje atuwire historically is because ichi chaasi chikwama liro waliao ndiri bit different from west of it.
All right, yes Wilfred.
Pia mana marali na ende commenta singaneli inkelinga traditionally abantu ntonali tanonya nayo noriga mamu mirongo otomaringe ngamane kali mwamore kale tenyama no enyome kutukengia at that time mate morikana nyamembe we come nyoko at that moment we have this tradition aba asa chicha band bias batang to come nyaka these factories.
Okay,
we cannot change bagendelete.
All right,
but the most important issue ndete kukwa nabali mebami to ne kemo abantu ba west they value echa abune biasara termuna nje termuna intwe west sometimes osaiwe temiti mengo konyora kichae pakemetereme chichae chikamchino chireme echa gento ketekero we mix but usai kuligiria ali koyense siasi west east yengima echa abanyete kwa business obuoyo there is no way ataragera wikabere chaya yomoyo.
Okay,
because about baminto iga tigatoire bias echa kune biasara egere na into to maintain that kind of relations to bwatenga ki rogoro ngi kokera. Another issue ego to itamono pi nelinga west east abantu libangai kubugambe no bwari ngoma demya kayonsi ntoko nyamwana.
Okay,
abantu limba konyo tu ibinti bingene chisare serikali yale kabeiro abantu bali munango kwa na brevani ebo gwatemerero yabo abantu bali munango gwote binaye ga ebo gwatemete yabo bono let me ask you bono igabuna bono butombe we use around 10 shillings to 11 shillings per kilo of meat tea wakane stima kwa ma konyara abantu balia estima ibaba yete yabo babuate instead bagwakane 11 shillings per kilo 10 shillings per kilo ebe se 11 shillings de yaye ikote koltu asa omuriro wetani moke konyora chiringi biri gose chiringi kurwa so omuriro oyo omenta 11 yeji kia batati 13 igonye to mena kanyora chiringi sana menta 13 olire ngakuri binchwa so emete most of those people by golte emete mapema you know untubate ento krokunga nema.
Okay,
mbona ya kire factory.
All right,
lakini last times balie bara kanyora factory kare bakunyo beka babe kane ngai okay ngai tukuri kurusie mete.
All right,
togo sire chai boro bale kugura e factory bagura ji eka 200 eka 100 chiabo une factory bono bone na seito tombe bono tuachi kunya manyanga kinga kitoko kwa mangana eka nyama ya to kongera ko tuare this kind of acreage.
Okay,
ye mete because singo sadio environment emete ko samanga yokorusia.
All right, waterabo karongo cha sole wakili generally ekene kiorokere wazinga okongosana bado ngogenreto gati ya ba director bono barabisi na ba director bali barenko bagotebanga ntuto ko bwati gochika gwegambero the court order na baro abate banga ugochika nkwa rwetu muraibu ensoso gete His Excellency Uhuru Kenyatta chikura chigakwa we are in office legally. At the end of the day buno Mswahili agoteba fahari wawili wakipigana nyasi ndio umia ultimately, which is the way forward. And by the way wakili you are on the not accused tinga. In fact in 2019 nkwanya rete koba koko call for an annual general meeting no nyamaega ekerego tebanga already kunya kwanyero koba koko rusigwa bisi kinagerikia kiana jituna bana chibi nafa tuma sichale uko, and I think there was another one, there were about 3. So at the end of the day serikali yaboni gebwatero tebanga aba director bali abakuru you are forcefully wasemote tego so bisi ne chinguru na igoko ndelio bokorelia se ensemu ichai.
Thank you, Brian. Ritanga nitigang correct one fact.
Okay.
Nanya kurusu abisi ne court. But I admit there are times when a court could have fined the institution for having called an annual general meeting against a court order. Once you go against a court order, there is a penalty. It's the court to decide the penalty. In chet na renge director korusi ne court during that time. Right now una toko gamba na ne kare Supreme Court.
You were fined 400,000 shillings.
The company was fined 400,000 shillings. I'm an employee of the company.
Okay.
So it is not a personal thing.
All right.
And as a result, in company so tindu city employment.
Okay.
Court yo court of appeal.
All right.
And it's actually on appeal in the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court appeal.
All right.
But NCMO yeti director ababonsi nabare mibechai. All of them 100% nabare mibechai. Montuta yorure turukana oselamu ochile watabanga injilwa na achile buno director wechai. And therefore bonsi are subject to the articles chiavo nerichi kobuna ririkide. Na inde chikampane chichonsi nchiabwato merobererio as to how chikurangeli. And one of them is a notice. A notice ekorigune company secretary. And if, for example, the board does not hold a notice, umurim na bao karaki. Na bakori ike notice na ende still wikaya na se company secretary. Korwo mukutano rangeribu. And una tuares anate mapema chikura you advertise umurimi ase chiwodi chizone chichikoenda for rotation kero murimi has a liberty kobeka disakararia lakini weka beke whether it's O level minimum O level good conduct tax bidonevyo exactly when I talk about chichikura cha national elections then a vetting board nero ya vet ya tabanga ongo ikera niore kia chi factory chine goto bachira onye tora atwara chikiro 500 goseru moja dogonya rutinere so they check all those things korwo mwagenda ballot chiballot koru chiballot notice na ile yaruebu inga chikita kigete chikurango akuchire ase chitundu bali awao ikiera weka chikura chi ballot station polling station chibe ange na baremi so based on that a process itekoretiki tebwatiri and also the fact that ekotiatenenia actually the words ekotiatenenia is said nobody should hold elections maitekeregote ekotiegotaba anybody togotabanga inchomoremi ninde exempt unless yetebe not exempt naende yatabanga at any time until kineki kiakorereki kiabeire giakori ne court.
Okay. So
it stopped everybody. If it had said exempt, then they would have followed the process. Naende you still must follow the process, which means we katoto are register bogen enge tutowaka chikura chia national elections are the same way chikura chia factory chiwako. Right now wasikilizaji in Busia we are 100,000 farmers. Lakini Nkwarote Kisii County we have Kisii County has 100,000 tea farmers direct. But voters, we have 600,000. So, mbaro abasikizaji toko kwanera who actually are not tea farmers, and that's why Vuna explained Chikura is exactly the way the national elections were being held. Nyamira also has 100,000 farmers.
Okay.
Bono, in terms of way forward, right now, nonya usi Kisii County into petition.
Right.
There are petitions challenging some elections. Nyamira the same.
Okay.
And where have they gone? Baachile kotini. For court, wetia. Nonyo dinga na agenda kotini go challenge Chikura cha Ruto. And Ruto should have been sworn in 7 days or less than 7 days after being declared. Lakini a petition akabeko. What happened? We submitted ourselves with Chiasi Kegamberugie court. And what the court says is what we followed. Ikiare court ikatanga Ruto na ilete Chikura. Kurwa kaba sworn in a few days later. Bona iga ase chai. Ekere court ya tebire ngabono Chikura nchia akwa. Who is this beyond most powerful? Ura tebe ngabono genderera notwithstanding. Bona what has happened? Eserekari enkoro ya korereki ya ruro. Ya tikereti director in place. Who are they going to say over the beti ba koreki? Director. They are being left actually again to talk about in law being left on the clothes wire.
Lakini mbakiro Chikura.
Mbakiro Chikura bikiara koti yate ni Chikura.
But Chikura njake tu
they were voted by the Chikura against the court orders. That's what we believe.
Let me put it this way. There is something where in law there says was annality ab initio. It's a Latin term.
Okay.
That it never happened from the beginning because it was annality. You know when a court has said ekenge korekana.
Okay.
Oge kore. You cannot say nga chikuranchi agetwe, therefore let it be now sanitized. No, that is a problem.
Okay.
Aba once in abaremi. And ebi nan kotini bide. So serikali ya chirengeni. You now have a new attorney general. By the way, Amangana Chikura is a side product.
Yes.
Is a byproduct of the main issue. The main issue was T-section Chimbe, Cheri Chiko.
Okay.
Naendeli Chikeri, Ori Abegetwe in January. Richikeri Abegetwe in January 2020. In January 2021, December 2020, Nadi President here signed it into law. Ikaba challenge in January. Lakini Chikura Chikura in April. Meaning there was a problem. Actually, it is a deeper issue because the question was, Rusichi directed Chicha Pingire, Richikeri. Reta Bageni. Naribara Agende. Court challenge. So really the directors were being used as pawns in this big issue of challenging the T Act. Challenging the T Act because T Act better challenge in January. Lakini April Chikura Chikarangiri. And one of the first tasks directors were being told to do is because you cannot challenge the law that the president has signed into law.
Okay.
So that is how they were pawns, and it is a byproduct.
Okay.
So now that Attorney General go cherengeni, a minister go cherengeni, we assume Nabarabu they will sit with the parties.
Okay.
Bariba chile kotini, whether Bariba Mazamba, and we try and see if we can suspend these current bad laws. Parliament again dedicated. And in the process, they will address now this issue of the government interfering in elections of private companies.
All right. Wakili, nteteko ndara mbrento mategereri me. Basically, iko kote banga uko chikika ambero nkia chika tengo bacho mbonyera ko bo kolekana lakini whichever the case maraiwe sore nko araka one executive order obocholi bokonyera ko ba boko kolekana. So tima it illegally because initially nakoboria the current KTD atebire aba koli merimo batano batoto yabo butere merimo because iko bagendeta ba nyolekana na mochonga ba okoli merimo na ba director abakoro. So timiti asumulimi natete komanyanga who is legally in the office na ba director bali abakoro uzina ba kiru chiku ba chorwa inse yugo chiko ko muraigwe sosoka Uhuru Kenyatta
bia mono Brian na indumbia kwa kunira mangana bakori mero abari miyaba bakwero kachi director nonye paka Nairobi oba soete chiabi siechio on 21st June 2021 na inde muaroche bari muaroche TV and so on abaskari ba titene chirori bere 2 lorries of policemen with guns pagate outside KTDA batange abantu chi director bari we company or service why would you want or need abaskari or soi into an office of a private company? Why do you need that? That was the first question. Ya mentioning a state capture. There is something omanane ways akukwane go state capture. KTDA and the factories were captured. And on the first day, tariki 21st June, omonto tara isaranza visi kwari keiri aba officer compulsory leave. Utamo manyeti, utanya komorora. Omotomeka, inga we are going to investigate. Bono, utamo manyeti monto, motara isaranza nero nyiri jikerim. And you send them on compulsory leave. Nainde in law under the Employment Act, gentonke yoge koruku, Brian, compulsory leave. Dogwate annual leave, compassionate leave, maternity leave, paternity leave, sick leave, you know, and so on. But compassionate leave, it isn't there. So it looked like abamba wate indicta nigete some agenda so kiabantu. Because that was the first agenda. About on the first day, our 15, no, 39. Once we were to court to challenge their termination.
Okay.
Because it says we might terminate you. So that's not how you treat employees. Nevangankuruana moregora. No roche no nye monene wense. Agaso so ile kero ngobare ko kolega isikoma. They are working with the All
right.
That's what they were doing. That's how you handle employees. Lakini hawabagaswa personal na wakorimero.
Okay.
And what did they do? They went to the employment court. Employment court ikateneni. So in terms of employees, employment court ya soire to protect abakorimero mo. Bari ikiru babwate their employment contracts baganyete chinga kichabo.
Okay.
Na barabuo ebina bikoera by good luck they return to work.
All right.
As to abantu mokoretwa na police waswa chibodroom. Then you must ask a question. What the biasa biarenge otore chai and so no konye chai. Inki na ende monto kyo yogotoma aba police chirori angeibe onyo gemba. Police mbarete tu. Onye Sunday when people went, police were there. But to be escorted into an office by policemen, it spells something else. It spells power.
Okay.
You know, and that's then if the court has said chikura nchiakwa, there's no way ora jote benga chikura nchiagetu.
Okay.
Because they got tenenia.
All right. But on the same note, serikali going with the deputy president from his speech, igali na babarabi siasa bono. Then can we say at the same time also on serikali ya bono because ekorobali gutiani wote ngantubu atilichiko. And that is why bad in the toba wako tiania bana chibina bali Uhuru Kenyatta kwenye taratiani. So can also say again on the other hand, serikali iko kwa na kurua semenwa chisemebera somunwa. Can you also say it's also in the contempt of court?
No. Yes, enkwano nera we are a deputy president.
Yes.
Mambiaye agakuwa na se program eko kuinoro. Ikiara aba chairman aba chi director jinti ateva one thing jigata ngankubu tatore aba officer. Bari baro sereti osawa abantu bakore mu bari baro sereti chi director chi echai. Agakuwa na ninoro agatebega asiyeteri yokubuta. And after that tanya gokwana. So you know sometimes it is important to brief. Na ndo rocho ndetamu iraneleti. Ikiara it is possible minister kio karaobono. Una to kwana minister of agriculture ningo. Pote munya.
Yes.
Munya taraso ke kiaro mogeni taraso. So if that is the brief, and then I roba begete, namote being a director of Mbabwe Netikobo.
Okay.
So that is a brief, assuming he has given me a brief. Banto Kibarabis.
Okay.
The current Minister of Agriculture, no Rioba Begete, Nechingu. So we will wait for Oyoj or Chagocho Mogani. Nerari Geredi, Ari Asome, Ari Geredi, I will report here. And from there, the government then will give out a communique.
Okay.
It's my belief Neringa, Mwaka Deputy President, that what the full information.
Okay.
Now, in the secondly, Naro Monto Kwanete, and I think no yo Bakorokwa, also Eroka Mulolongo, chairman of Montoko Pichoho.
Yes.
Now, Kwanete, one thing you played it. Agatabanga, yes, Evi Nambire Kotini. Na admitted Tibo. And if that case were admitted, Awatabanga Evi Nambire Kotini, let's wait for the end. It means if there is a court case, then yes, there could be those court orders that we are talking about.
Wakili. Tete ko nyara ko banko iwo mo tegelie birengere biawe na kwa bwa tere chingone che masemo badai ko ndele baga wo fere kin tete ko rambre to tegelie masinge ncho yebiro wetera 0704102102 0785102102 morobelia sembeo abaraina amagendro nje go kondoka ngapro bright ka to nduru kwana igoro ya mangana iga yecha itimeti ebirengero byombere byebye kubulia kwongoro kyoko bukia sabara itoli na barabuga iga studio at the same time naboko nikira SMS wetera 0706102102 lakini sababu to kwana manje gutara century yesimi 0704102102 na bigo 0785102102 na chile ni chana kunyara kupako kwana mwananchi kaiga eyemo aseyemo
Kebrigo, Ikonge, Gigoma, Manga, Nansionko. Nyamira kau.
All right. Radio Vuna, hello.
Hello?
Hello.
Habari hapo?
Niko salama.
Nilikuwa nauliza wa madirector. Sasa kama wanasema court case iko kotini. Na mwenye yako na nguvu ni mkulima. Sasa wanajilazimisha kuwa hapa ama waseme tuende kwa uwanjani tuchague hao ama wale wengine.
Okay.
Mwamuzi ni mkulima. Sasa tuwaje tumkwachie ane uwanjani. Bila pika kutoka Nyamira. Ndivyo maana itwa John Diarafi.
All right. Sawa sawa. Asante sana. Jones asingincho yeli boli yeli. Kona mnenchi kwa 0704102102 Radio Vuna. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, ngo yeto kwa nere.
Nora.
Yes, Nora. Kuroi.
Kurwa nyabitabo.
Ngakyo te banora.
Ndiye nkoboli benda serikali kaya tebeta ngankoro sija renga machiko. Chora ba director babiri. Na kirende na ande ba kora ti reform yabo bakachora ba director.
Bakachora sita.
Bakachora 6 na ande reform ya serikali. Aro te bange chora ba director babiri. Arafu ngana ande ko chora ba rengi umongina. Bachora rende na bagaka babiri. Akibona yanyari kanita ba director bali sita.
Okay, aba babiri bali ko bakurwa secret factory.
Kurwa secret factory.
Okay.
Lakini bona nandi bakaira na hiki kulini kuro bakachora sita. Ibole ndi reform ya serikali ya gukora. Na kiya akore tabasiga chora abasita. Na ndi swali linde. Ono ekero serikali ya gukora reform. Ya gukora reform yugo takubuta abantu, ose ya gukora reform yugo baeba.
Okay. Sawa. Asante sana Nora kuruche semecho cha Nyabisabo. Asengencho yeli bodi yao mnakwali bekire ya masema barayigamba Nyarakoba abako irenele. Vuna Radio. Hello. Hello Radio Vuna. Yes, ngo to kwa nere. Hello. Ningo gote tata kwa nanje. Waire bia.
No, so the new what is studio. maswali nabo ate nabere nomore bikorusameta nare kubolia iswali itanga ndiende reforms ikete kwa province tibunga kerombo ti nyintonya 50% ya self ya pale kanida te Mombasa 50% of the self Turaji another thing unatwara sama marafiki kidogo tegera serikali ya jite ekaira computer kwa headquarters ekaira title deed the company ikajibapara investigation tura manyanga what was the outcome of the investigation tura kore and title deed is running another thing kirigi akore tu audit yare ko korwa ase korukunga forensic audit yare ko korwa ase factory jones egere torore aba director aba rudisma na vaivi tibi to vaivi rumuri binande vai ko tu ana kuwa report ya auditing ya koretwe ya rete report ko ya to the president or the minister inakuwa
all right right asante sana zaidi bwana radio hello
Vuna.
Hello
Vuna.
yes ningo gwete kwa na manenje
Hello
tichali ningo gwete
unanisikia
nakusikia sema na mimi
nilikuwa nauliza ile madirector sisi ni wakulima wa chai
yes
asa wanaendaje watatutetea nini ili tupate actually we get our bonus like other people wanapata hiyo ndio nawauliza tu
okay
mimi ni mkulima wa chai
alright asante sana ketonyi na bote liogibia yo teacher Alice asante sana asenye ncheli bolia bara impenya liko babako ulirandelia kiagara na ubara se chinseme chono boy gobado no boko nikira SMS with 0706102102 oyaga tebanga what will be the long run effect the 21 billion borrowed to finance the second payment they did to the growers a farmer from Kiamokama Vuna radio hela hello
waile mwaka
obaire bia
yo nenda ewo ko Kiamokama
is
one of the affected employee of Kiamokama Tea Factory.
Okay.
I was served little way wrong. I'm not supposed to be a worker.
No,
are they allowed to send over the jungle? You will tell you about to get about therapy, logistic assistance, want to speak.
Sababu wao waseli kulingana ile beneli.
That the equivalent doesn't be a logistic assistance. They are very scrapped away. Well, now that to serve the Marula 20 bigger. I'm not going to rock to Vanya to Borisa, one of the company secretary, you manka. And the teacher, Ilio was a label.
Okay.
Kindly.
Okay. Sawa. All right, asante sana kurujese mecho cha Kiamokama boiga singa njeli boli yao. Narega kuandika don't forget the issue of lost title deeds. Okay, nishaona. Vuna radio hello. Hello. Yes, kuna mwenye tata.
Kuna Christopher.
Yes, Christopher.
Kwa Langali. Kwa Wira. Santo wala tukorwe factory ya Kiamokama 15 class. Wala tu egere ala ngabari ku wase wala ta egere wala tani namba ya la kodi ga kina tana kila da kinige.
Okay.
Namba 2. Factory ya Kiamokama ya mo mansai. Ore mo bo banyare ko toya ga buyanga igobo ni ko seba na obore tiara tu ata tu ni mete ya lengo ya le bukina. Baba dare da ba jitu bakawore yo tare bakabete ni te yango bato ya tu amanya buya na bali ni.
Okay. Sawa. Asante sana. Christopher kuruchese mecho cheli yanga biboiga singa njeli bodi yao bado mkwenda kuandikira SMS ku 0706102102 naranya rokoba ngoranga ngakimo kunyara koba mokobora Vuna radio hela Yes, ningo gote madam ngoya. Yes, kona mnanchi ningo gote ngoya. Okay. Sawa, asante sana kwa ranga kidogo ntukali kwa iwana gabu chidega cha butukiri kiandaga megege chinsenye chiabono butuko mwancho butukiri murobelia sembeo abarai na amagendro ekeronte ketukunyara ko banko bali bagabara yabanyara ko bakwirinia mabuli ayo sengencho yechisa elinde tonyara ko batuko korro murobelia se butuko bwalero mega yekimanyirige ko bwatia
Mira, Kebirigo, Ikonge, Gigoma, Manga, Nyansionko. Mira County, Media Tigirete. Radio Vuna, 102.0, Toseseniwe, Kira Engaki. Kisi Tau, Ogembo, Tabaka, Fumika, Masha, Kisi County, Tigirete. Radio Vuna, 102.0, Toseseniwe, Kira Engaki.
Korwa Galilaya, Omochobo Songo, County ya Kisi, Boika, County ya Nyamira. Radio Vuna 102.0 FM, Toseseniwe, Kira Engaki.
Alright, asante sana mwancho mo tegereli cha butukiri kideka ikobi mega chisenye cho butuko balero murubilia sembeo abarai na amagendro chego kodoka nga bro bright gato na barai ga se studio kondra mangana amoncho lia se echai tiganya ko banko chaka kete barai maigora maboli ayu kermontera mete elireli morengete tigango tunyara ko matoko chaka mona board member bo Wilfred ngakiyoteva
pia mono moralia sama soja maya abaku wetu bato boliri kiara bali mina bota kuligeta na bora banne wetu titangani na gotebinga amangano brai no bunga ne biasara ne bingao ekere reforms ya koletu amaena no no maena nga ntu atebetu paka nto manyane ngangwa butole 50 shillings per kilo lakini maena no the law where we have the law with us it said 50% of surplus lakini kera bali batangaza kuri radio weta pake yeno ebala watabantu bali meto kwa 50 shillings per kilo per month monthly payment of which it's not there. You see we are getting 20.
Okay,
so umulimi ryobolia tigamanya maybe time will reach kera 50 shillings per kilo of which is not there and it's not practical because even on price yo kateruka 50 igone njere yari kuri yuwa yoko leto mulimi yange nebinde bari ko promised barabietia ose barabibwatia kuna babibwati na repercussion ba chukora maya agende ngia karotaki ngere nkyo maene nande no murai geto be kana biega intwe bantu bari to barai aba ba sobisi na into tu ba rusio into 1% of your mulimi kumotenera acha teyo tukunya ko ntuo ko itano ko bwito ngo bwa sababu ikendara ko sababu lembe baito vechi factory kitu kyose bijya gusi Nyamira nda Kisi na mbeyemo tigaba lembe baito baranja mbaire kya kito asakoro kumangereto tigaba ire kya kito ki factory kito tigaba manya koranga batara itangurwa na bare intu to kurana goro yuburai ama bere to kurya libako to ato kunyu lakini omane bali bara ruki kya kigende factory kito na singo tebele go na mbeyemo e factory tabwe chai expenses echiko yende gesara bese ndi muri byacho konyora abale mbya bande batatu ko moyo mbaire chi factory chai abande batatu ko limito nga baire mangere bakanya bese ya cash ngo basaba
alright
kwa nyanya kebwe nene tiga batwe chai go chi factory kitu kuna bana bale mbya bato benko basaba abange mwaso mangere tabu kere njira enko nya chika tene no ngo basaba te ko rariria mangana aitu karwe chai go chi factory ekere ko ere chai e forum ya baire guru na ya bese ase expenditure e ko bainse bune chai ko benga se factory bune expenditure ya ko ni igora ari krama ebintu binde ngaba kolega zingo chando ine asieseria ndoko nyako nyekwana kuna barara ba ko ati bakore lakini iki ko nyeri ko barao njitimbu atimangana ndate na kikindanze
tuche selebeka
biamono muraria inquire liswali liabo libuna 21 period ya the borrowed to pay bonus nkole ngio onye bwategerete karotura na kwa na iguro ya ubusabe loan wakana a bonus biasara mbi enze ngima urasabe loan wakana dividend yeah dividend yoge we yakana biasara bigo so ki faida yae kurase faida ilikuwa magwakana lakini to sabe loan wakani kiare minute na chibese chiwe komole minanda kane aira ni 21 billion amen the interest ya 21 billion igo the long term effect inelina factory nguji utwara bokongo wakana na ne bonus yake ende kiera still le bonus umwako yo na era ngobere declared ngiyanda baje kuruchibe sana ne bengi na bakanda baje usaba igo igende kia yeko ikosome komenya na nungani size yao to waza kurambro koboko otebe na chibesa tige bengenge ngo kia baremi na ndo mwako wo cha baremi bakorera na chibesa tukasabite ndubu ati no mbesa to waka ne bengi je auction factory
okay
igo mbuya chisabu cyakwa yamanyikana factory X yanyolire bonus ose yarosiri faida nganiga bonus to waka ne iriga igo kurwa se bonus kere kwanya warosiri faida ino ere bengi igo na moko na munyirusi mwaka na baremi kali moyo sabe loan igo oko sabe loan yoko no gota kubagokia muna aso gota kubasi amaiso muna ni no mwajire mumanyete mwabeire turatebe na no mwabere kemanyi mogosoro lakini ase sabu liekene nelina chibese chipaka mochiakane na ndi ntinkaro chinaka ngaimura ro chibese chi kuruje chifaida chimyaka ndegocha iongora akana muleye amatukale usio.
All right. Okay. Yes, okay.
Biamano Brian, I think I'm a Swadiana 6 or 7. Tikante mekonya ira neria. Ritanga ni kurwase Musike Jones arasa. Na abo ringa nintu abaremi. Nintu anyaisa. Nintu togo chora chi director. It comes back to us. Oh mine. Chikura, we had been doing Chikura kero mwaka. 2 directors per year.
Okay.
Otobwende kuirana back to that system. Not a system yogo chora 100% once you know at once. Ikiara a company law ne watege lego kwe rotation.
Okay.
Angabono nyo bali ba beku onyo ba beku ne kene last year angabono chikura cha akiru this year. But what we hear mbata itichako. But ombori a very blank question when Jones I would say the best solution yechi director ichion CP kiarabon sinabaremi we go back and tokoreki to akichukura. Let's go back and people seek then a fresh term.
Okay.
Lakini bono ingane rinkoti ni dide we would have to wait and see if that ever were to be a question formally asked. In Jebune company secretary I would say kirumoti gaba koreki vairane and then vachiche afresh.
Okay.
Na ritura achake ko manyanga oyo will go on rotation next year and the year after and the year after. Ikiarambaro ba wento ko genda for rotation, which means as a ababono the legitimate directors. Mbaro ba wento ko genda munyaga tene chikura. So they were ready. And therefore for me I'm ready to carry out chikura fresh elections for everybody.
Okay.
So that as they come a fresh set. But right now as we talk, nkotini tokare, we want to remove chi section iyo yeri chikore ko tanga serikali na ile go tutena na chikura.
Okay.
Na ile go to chora la barai. That one tigaba le mibe chorere.
All right.
Because they are company directors.
All right. Umutegeli yatenga aba director bako chorumba tano no mo instead of 2.
I was coming to Madam Nora. Madam Nora na abo ringa.
Yes.
According to reform echi. Serikali ya bekira say these 3 reforms is that there should be only 2 directors and one omongina no omo omosacha. Now these are the reforms we are saying the government should not be interfering with how companies do their business. A company has a 1 billion shilling turnover. Together Capcoros Tea Factory, it has a 3 billion shilling turnover. Wasema ugo gosie ke Karebomet. Wase kiamo cap shilling turnover. Over 2 directors. No nye committee kanisa. A committee school. tebwati chi director ibere tebwati committee 2 committees. How would we put 2 directors in a company worth $1 billion inkibata kore? And therefore nabaremi over 100,000 as a company it has 28,000 shareholders. Moba chorere 2 people na ende serikali nere ko bachorera. And that's why we said a section A elections, interference of elections in the T Act should not happen. Section 74, I think. We said that should not be because Otto Chorere, a Serikari to Chorere, a Chorabari 2 directors. 91 lady, 1 man. For sure, the issue of gender ya rengo, no nero. In our type of elections, was our type of farmer system, is more patriarchal. Abasacha na wabwa chitaito did. Na wabwa te marieta unless there is a widow. And we have a number of women who have been elected through that process. But a serikali to come and put it on yunga ni into a serikali to raba chorere, and it can only be 2. Abuna ochibe still aside. Brian. And therefore ours we saw it 1 don't interfere. Tigaba remiboka baga ende bari gere barengere ringa kigo se bago chora chi director chiabu. Nainde when it is electoral area of Sita. Ikiara rigere nonye MCAs, rigere jaba bunge, rigere it is fair representation. So to reduce nainde allowances of a director bakori is impractical in terms of the revenue of a company. And therefore, but it is safer go to abantu abange Sita mbali bange. Onye togo when you look at other representations. So we were saying anyway, it is not the choice of a government. Go and a company A, DT Dobi, go say company gete, Chorech director gete.
Okay. All right.
And that's one of those who were saying we would challenge.
Okay.
But for sure, as a Richi Keriba Beka, Babeka Badanga director Chiwenda Koba, Babereboka. Ibere.
But maybe Moraria, some Cabinet Secretary. Well, if they followed the law that was introduced by the CS Munya, why did they go for the 6 directors? Even to the Commissary Mibaito, Onya Bargo Guatia Seria, Eribate, Bete reforms, a year section, you took a course of Mabu. Did they follow it? But that is contravening to what they themselves want. Okay, Boka.
Okay.
Bagachora 20p6. In Kibargo Corabo, and you're adding according to reforms.
All right.
Reforms in the Bargo Corera, Palocora, Mibaita, Totagerete.
Okay.
A carrier de Bachor, the one of the Batatu, about Bavarian no Mongina, got a varying reform to Babuati. One on Zerkibabuati, ne reforms Chinia, was in a chink.
All right.
What did they follow?
That is correct. Na board member kwandile, yemba bagatwara chikura, lakini bagachora bantu sita.
All right.
So Nora's observation is very correct.
Okay.
But that was then they were already committing an offense as a richi. They found that maybe this is impossible to effect.
Okay.
Like whatever those sections need to be addressed. Then nabo the tigore reform of employment. Reform ejiarenge yo kobuta bantu.
Yes.
Moigwete gose Deputy President Gashagwa ekera bantu aba bare gukwana as soon as akwana igore yamangana H director. Next day bakaganda to the newspapers and go buta tura bantu. Gashagwa agakwana ase inoro ege ikoyo. Akabatebiga sieke serikali eneo korika bantu yokobuta. And that is one of the reasons we had also said Richi Keri engencho ribekire nkubutarira abantu. Naende nakioroche abakoremero nabarumba chete kotini ikinange kare nakuru. Digo tabarichi Keri neribe.
Yes.
Orirongete abakoremero and it's going to send home very many people. Naende you can see immediately some aswaria and aboriwa abantu bachakiro gosaribu. Now abantu aba kote nabantu baito. Ababakiamo kama baotanga babutirwa iruchi notice. What anabana bomopsi. Onye miake yonsi they have been working. What is it that is so new now that you are saying we go butabantu? Actually, what is happening? Abantu bakobutua, nabantu baba director babande. That is the problem. and this is the wrong time mo ganya kere serikali yego che nyia mota kurikira bantu amarugo. The timing is wrong.
Okay.
But I'll come to that answer. This one indiro riabo mugaka ta authority riae kunusameta.
Yes.
Agakwane gore chi title deed. For sure, April 16th, 2021. KTD avareded. Chitaito chikaimokiwa without an inventory. Ekere mwako inaba indochere na his follows. Chi server chikaimokiwa. Chi contract chikaimokiwa. Chi record minute book chons chikaimokiwa. Chi title deed chikaimokiwa. Kuruchi save. Asawa na wabisaba ito mbarengo ikiara KTD abantu all employees bagasieke rusiko. Inyumbe yiwe kaba occupied by 3 or 4 days.
Okay.
When we now got access to kanyoranga chitaito the church chakorereki chachire 992 to be precise. Etaito ya kebirigo teyo. Etaito yogembo teyo, gianchore teyo, paka chitundubali biyo. Mpaka head office ya KTDA is amongst these 992. So what did we do? Tukarike notice ganseti. Tukateba people have come and have taken na ende koti kwenye atebira don't raid. Onye mota itukumanya ringana, rika, mosabe. Wone keremo kwenda kuichi title deed 992. It was puzzling.
Okay.
Did they nabantu baganeti kora chi amaremo aya KTD nechi factory nechi nguru ntwa amanyete we don't know.
Okay.
But rende tukabeke notice gazeti tukateba 992 title deeds have been removed. Tukamanyichi manager genda mubeke chikosho nekiara ababa imogeje bintebi we don't know. To date this is 1.5 years. Title deeds nchira akoraki nchira irana.
Okay.
We are hoping the new DCI will have his officers release them back to Chichi factory. Na ende tuaganyire kobodia. Naganyire ngigu abanta bakuru kumolongo directors. Has anyone inquired about the title deeds? Nonye inobaremi ask your directors. A title deed ito ngayere.
Okay.
Ikiara konye ere head office Nairobi. All until 1.5 years ago chikaimoki uni nukonye moro 1.5 years. A title deed original. Saba bako baba oroki. Because those 992 title deeds have not been returned.
All right.
In total vegete just so that on the tabanga ni numa imogeti.
Okay.
And we put a notice.
All
and
right.
that notice is a public notice.
Then,
All right. Because the chinza ngo kuandali baga ndegete erene mabole wakile bangu bangali.
Then on forensic audit.
Yes.
Forensic audit was said to have been done. And you see a forensic audit na bomo audit akoenda urigire bitabu akorangiria akoboringa na arorege ntonkera getari keronge ngeres. No single officer has been asked about any forensic audit. No director has been asked about any forensic audit. So ntomanyeti whether mba korete ntu aroche somewhere in the news. Then eserekari eri enkoro egatabanga ntoire forensic audit ntuanya konyerora.
Okay.
And therefore there is a very very high chance because this was done last September 2021.
Okay.
Baka era ntuanya koigwa.
Okay.
And you see an audit we ko kewe na o iranerie in ikero audit atari manyitikere gento he will ask and say ina nabori ramaswali aya tingo kidi no ko iraneri ukori na ngeire. So therefore then take action.
Okay.
Tuanya korora. So I cannot say whether I know anyway to I good forensic audit tenure tikende.
Okay.
Any mistake on anyone.
All right.
Then we go to this issue of abakori emeremo. Ababawo tabanga banyori amaruge. Tigankwana bono una omwaki. The Employment Act has its procedure. Uno motakwe either it is redundancies or gento bunekyo. And onyaba nabantu be union, they should go to their shop steward. Babo union iyo was the union informed. Ngekeroge ke nkoba kere scrapped. What the proper procedure? Only the proper procedure tera abwatu and the union was not informed. Then yes, kero employee has a right to say I've had expectation. Because the redundancy,
Okay.
and you know why it's going to be a challenge? Redundancy. Ne body ya kani tevo ne court. Because if it is a board that should not have been there, and they are the ones who have said that now employees are being declared redundant, then there starts the problem. Again, ab initio. You should never have had the power to send me home.
Okay.
So these are some of the things that they will have to look at. Lakini, I don't have the specific case, but Uno Moakidincha, I would advise that. And if your union isn't addressing it, then go and get advice Korwase Omoakidi.
All right. And
the employments there are there to help. On the issue of Oboremo, I think someone talked about Oboremo Masai. There's a process. For factory Chikogora. There is an assessment that is done about Kenya Forest Service, Ngozo Abare, about NEMA, so there's an exercise in terms of in terms of purchase.
Okay.
When all that is done, the buyer and seller, there's an agreement. You have assigned Omonto or Akano for the land.
Right.
Title you have transferred.
Okay.
And if land is purposes for wood fuel, then even that report should say so.
All right.
So no one should be able to say and so on. But if that's the case, no way factory.
Okay.
That should be addressed.
All right.
Well, what I was following up is from our command secretary, according to the authorities. Sincerely, can again talk to the Clofriad because this is company properties, even in the Viaparini.
Okay.
Even up to now, we don't know where they are. And my brother and sisters who are purported to be in the office, Mbama at the 7 David. We did an action of advertising the newspapers. Look what happened, and you saw as you are a newspaper, you are a news person. The Mombasa port, they thought it. You saw where it was found it is. Would it be that maybe our ports, our factories, they are raised somewhere? As you saw the Mombasa port.
Okay.
It's with the foreigners. How sure are we that our child trading company, RIS, they thought it? Everywhere. We have big investments in Nairobi, in Mombasa.
Okay.
How sure are we these things are safe? Because we don't have them. Yes, whatever. That's my question. Because even these ones are farmers.
Okay.
Okay, to an inventory even to be to a title motor trading, okay. Again, the motor of Yateba, a title on a year. Again, take a more eke, I carry. Again, they go Matani, I carry. Okay. Killing to get to make Bakir or Nokoboko. But take a to Beramuna to Adaconoranga. Again, the airport, yes. They can't afford an arsenal of a security. I can read it.
Okay, what the rap?
That is now my big question.
The council makes a message that the current fake directors are holding daily meetings at exorbitant allowances. Tanya tukoboga kolika elieta lakini virengelo vyewe watabanga director babono ego bagenda tokora chi meeting bagwa kanwa chi allowance echiri che igoromono Nyansiongo factory fake directors have employed 30 new employees. They want to sack all the people. And when I kunyara kubaga gotebe sawa singencho yes message yo utamagu 0706102102 SMS gani chi nyingi kweli lakini nyara kubango jietere chinde baadaye ya kodika kwa jisemu chenyama sibi sawa vile vile yako nishaona. What will be the long run effect? The 21 billion borrowed to finance the second payment they did to the growers. I think they did.
Yeah, we replied to that.
Alright, that one was replied. Okay. Sawa. The issue of the title deeds yanyalo koba kego kwanerwa. Asante sana. Ase SMS chugwe terasi number 0706102102. Chinsa chachire chiri nyalo koba ngo chietera badai. Abarai toko kora mangana. Ndete tonyaro kuba tokoro enkwana yo mwelio eri ndete tonyaro kuba tokoro anda kencha kera sole Wilfred.
pia mono moralia kwanza ngatembia mana sege jogo to chika go cha sereti to ya Vuna twakembia mana sege to kwana na ba pharmacy baito abalimi baito abuna into turabalimi abato erili bato bakorera emirimo asengaki ya erire eraga bego jumotwe indetente y'abalimi baito bagusine Nyamira nande ngirore tiga banje barende factory kyabo buna balimi banje bayiri cyakite se factory cyito tebatiga na mangana mare amangereto bayiri cyakite factory ekiagera mangano kora yobo bokurwane ruboro no monto yomo uneso ni amengi microphone 6 no murayo yomo no yokoro no yokono no yomo lakini turarigire yuko nimugwito intwe toire chicha chonsipi asi factory cyito
okay
amaswari ende anyagota magega.
All right, asante sana timetino gwatondo rataka gukwani
mbia mono itangani ngire libara kwa ni familia nengi maseta gerate asebona maragwa kwanza kwa ni mwana dani ole tayari ujo kale nyangia subwango ne familia ye kwa ni bana bana bonse pipato petit factory kwa ni factory kia ne onsi kia Nyamira county yere nyansiongo yankoba Kebirigo Sanganyi na Gianjole na Tombe kwa na barakta bonse baro na bari bonse baro ko bate mwanchane na ande ibintu bikurana nebike ko era bire nyasa na roro.
All right,
Pia mono.
all right, asante sana anda gatengi chase Lamek kona yo mario
muralinda tembe mona so turangiri gocha kwa ni twa so irubia ande twa tebiria walimi asebirangari beto na kibire intu na podi member teba intu twa chaga igaso koborokia kinaganaga na ngige weneta ko basoli wechai intu jitia dalise gitu buate nonde intu tutayeda buate lichiko na lichiko ngo ngene liratu weke buya aso bura iweito uli wetu wechai asigusi ngima igo ngate ya bali mba mintu kwa nia baya bali mba mintu especially bu macho orobu endra kolende cha factory chete berege ugembo elinde na liyo bali mwetu bura endra bia na enderende cha ingia mulende megondo ino bia alituranya tonya mu pata maeke era munye kuno kama wateba na abaiko bwati chiga sinyinko bwa ando mokolende cha MB factory mokolende cha MB factory na ndo kanyara une quality ko MB uriyo kule cha igago tokanya twatugutire lakini yege ndugene na gusingatia ngena trend yetu arorire cha kitali koneke market yere waring ngo ndoje na losses ingo chiko chiro ro chibusi asi factory onye kende ngekoba ande serikali tego change strategy yokoni chaye ngekamiriye ndo ntukora nindo jego yukwa una njubo no muntu wesa unarorire na kole KTD na ro na to ni cha Mombasa na ndo wono une bintu bigenderete tigaba mwachire gosa mwacho romo gacha mutabugati richiko liyo kobero bisi intu troje na fair play yeboro tigali jiko ligambe elinda mangana yaga nu ntonya gotubuta kibesa na ndi ku west kibesa cya bali mikusa.
All right,
kwa ngina rai nabu atena ndingo te ambia mono radio funa so turangiriga iga
yes
na ende na wa grambia mono asa familia ne integrate wona iga particularly my wife Josephine na wana wa yonsia wana wane ngo batakiro tukubia.
all right,
kwa ngimi ya mono na ende witora nenga kirgo jus.
all right, asante sana yes okay
Mbia mono Brian, I think ngokwa na kebuno mwakiri and nte bya ba kusiba minto the reason why to what independent judiciary, independent executive, independent parliament kedinga, these are three arms of the serikali. So ekere to kwa na serikali ya tebine it can only be just one arm but the arm ebwate chinguru aseri chiko in terms of interpreting the law and in terms of amangana chiko to order nkoti na ende where we attempt to go against court orders ekoti ero teriko ba kind ikiara ekoti ego tawanga obey the court order and then come and ask it to remove it. That is what the court does. So I would only advise everybody on the time so the winga bunari chiko ninje bwate chinguru ndakorende yaya umuntu yo nonya oba tebeti abantu barabu chigasi abo chiari.
all right,
They are not there going to defend you. Na inde toko imoka ege ndoke ku contempt toko imoka otebenga nyare beneron tebeti no ignorance of the law is no excuse. So bunu mwakili, that's the advice I would give.
Right.
Secondly, as a governance to yes, mbiya to irane back to sanity in terms of our governance structure.
All right.
Our director bakwani gore abaremi bate biringa abaremi gendera inugo tore chai rende chai and so na inchino moremi wechai inchino mwana wo moremi wechai, and therefore na incha have taken that advice that rende tigato rende chai to na inde to rende chikampani chito. Thirdly, I would now want to say thank you to Chair Servant Bakisi County Leader. Narenga 2 months ago, Radio Vuna, eri narekomnyoka twarekomnyoki nabande igore kiro kyo senator. And nanyora chikura. Asikerege tuo Kisi County ngima. And I thank God for that. Na agenda around and we enjoyed it. Wherever we stopped to akwanete nabantu, there can only be one winner.
Yes.
But even on this time, Momo Imaonyonga, we have to support him.
Right.
We have to support the government Erawan. We have to support the government Yaruto. Let's support. Nobody by the opposition, oppose it for the sake of building the nation. That I would ask all of us to do.
Okay.
But first, I want to say thank you very much for the time in Ituawate, Iriengaki Yaira, Chikura.
All right.
Thank you to family Yane, family Yeito, and all those people who are listening. Ikiagara in Mwensi are one family.
All right.
Intuna Vanava Nyasai. And I will say thank you very much. Nyasai.
Right. Sante sana basi bono mwenchu mategerere tuasangire chingona sobutuko walero samangana linkete HI kero chabutu ide kemerongene mege chinsa nye chubutuko walero moro wali wabara ina magandro bado no genrete goika chinsa isano nemo chubutuko gati njego kondo kanga brr.